Hi, boys and girls. Look at this. It's a circle, and it looks like they've drawn a line down the middle. So it's half. You know, sometimes when you have a brother or a sister, you have to share something, and mom will give you each half. So it's half of the circle. Okay? When we talk about time, we actually do that too. We say half past the hour, because if this hand down here is going to point to 6, it's halfway down. So it's half of the hour. I want you just to listen to my reading, because this is complicated and I don't expect you to do the work, but I want to introduce it to you because I know a lot of you have watches. Okay, the long hand tells the minutes. When the minute hand points to the 6, we say it is half past the hour. When the minute hand is halfway around the clock, it is half past the hour, okay? The hour hand, this one, it's going to be halfway between the two numbers. It's not going to point to the 2. It's not going to point to the 3. It's going to be in the middle, okay? Halfway between those two numbers. The hour hand is halfway between the 2 and the 3. The minute hand points to the 6. The time is 2:30 or 2:30. It is 30 minutes, because remember all of our little minutes? After 2. It's 2:30. We can say 2:30. Let me go over that with you, okay? The hour hand is between the 2 and the 3. The big hand, the minute hand, points to the 6. So we say the time is 2:30. Or we can say 2:30. When you have 2:30 like this, it's the one on the digital clock. Oh, my goodness, this is actually going to go to 30 in just a second. It's going to be 23:30. 29, there's the minute. We can wait for, there it is. So it's 23:30. Okay, I know what that is. But (2:30) is between the 2 and the 3, and the hour hand is on the 6. We can do it different ways. We can say 2:30, or we can say 2:30. 2:30, and we can even write it like this. 2:30. Remember when we did our numbers? Well, we won't do that though. Okay, we're going to read the hour hand first. Then read the minute hand and write the time. Okay, let's look at this. What do we see? The hour hand. Where is it? It's kind of between the 4 and the 5. So it was on the 4, and it's the minute hand is down here on the 6. Okay? So we're going to say it's 4:30. Okay? Because it's between the 4 and the 5. It's not 5 o'clock yet. It is still 4 and however many minutes. So 4:30 or 4:30. Okay, look at this one. Look at the little red hand. The little hand. Okay, it's between the 10 and the 11. And this hand down here is pointing to 6, so we're going to say 30, that's for sure. 10 and 11. It's not 11 o'clock yet, it's still 10, so we're going to say 10:30. Or 10:30. And we can come down here and do 10:30. come up here. The little red hand. It's between the 6 and the 7, so it's going to be 6. 6:30. 6:30. Or 6:30. It's not 7 o'clock yet. It's 6:30 or 6:30. Okay, by the way, boys and girls, 4:30 is when we finish school. So that's a good one to know, when the hand is between the 4 and the 5, and the red hand is down here on the 6. It's 4:30. Okay, let's go on to this one. Ooh, this one might be bedtime. Okay, this is pointing between the 8 and the 9. So we're going to say 8, okay, because it's not 9 o'clock yet. It's going to be, here's the minute hand, and it's halfway around the clock. So we're going to say 8:30 or 8:30. Boys and girls, remember when we did the sounds ah? And I said no, it was an R, never mind, excuse me. Okay, here's another one. Let's look for 1/2 What's it going to be 1/2? The red one's first. So 12 and 1. This is the time when you go to recess at lunch. So between 12 and 1. It's 12 and 1/2. So 12 or 12:30. When the 6 is on, the big hand is on the 6, it's 30 or 1/2. Okay, here's another one. This is the time we come back in from recess. A good one to know. So here's the red hand. It's between the 3 and the 4. And the big hand is on the 6. So we're going to say it's 3:30. Okay? Or it is 3:30. These are difficult, but it's just to show you. Some of you might be able to do it. That's great.